Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the goodness of yourself and actually the good that you've done. You've bounced back to be not only stronger, but more lovable, more embracing. You see the child within everyone. And not only do you share your good with them, but you also are being good to yourself. And I want to thank you for that. You've upgraded, you're upgrading, and you're heading into the place that matches the energy. The old you is gone. You can't take old attributes into a new abundant blessing. And right now you've been doing all the changing and all the evolving, and I want to give you credit for that. It looks beautiful and you are beautiful. I overcome imperfections, polishing my character, and I feed on the positive. Thus, I free myself. Allow my goodness to manifest and become a source of joy. Through gentleness, I offer unconditional support, understanding, and love to myself and to others. Therefore, you flourish, and when you allow others people to feel good around you, you attract your tribe. Get ready for breakthrough. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.